Okay, we're back with the Woolly Westie working on our Gen Z vest. You see I have the front left panel and the front right panel done and the back panel done. I had put in a marker at the underarm so I could double check. I had 36 rows for size large up to the top here, so I made sure I had the same for this panel and the same for the back panel. If you notice, this is curling very badly. So at this point, I like to block the garment because it straightens this out and makes it a lot easier to pick up stitches when we do the ribbing on the armhole and the ribbing around the button band. Okay, I like to use Arne and Carlos's method of blocking, where they take a super wet dish towel like this, and let's block the back first, and they just basically spread that really wet dish towel. I'm going to spread this out so it goes straight like that, and I'm going to straighten this out. You take a super wet dish towel. I'm going to be careful. Still, this is on my live needle, so I'm not going to get that. Okay, and then you take a really hot iron, and then I'm going to steam it. I'm never going to touch the yarn itself. I'm just going to steam it, and it should make a sound like that. And you just go along, relaxing the fibers. And I'll do this all the way along. And as I mentioned, Arne and Carlos have a great tutorial on how to do this. And this is going to straighten out those edges. So we'll come back when I've completed the back. Okay, and here we are, this panel. This was really curly, so now I'm straightening it out right here. And I'm going to straighten all along this edge right here like this. And I'm going to take my very wet dishcloth, put it over that, make sure it's all straight, and I'm going to steam it. Isn't that fun? If the dishcloth dries out at all, you can just re-get it wet and wring it out. And again, I never go on the actual wool itself. I'm just steaming it, and it really relaxes the fibers nicely. You know, I'm hearing less of that sizzling sound, so that's telling me that I probably need to go and re-wet my dishcloth. But here, I'll pull it up here in a sec. Look at how beautiful how that lies nice and flat. It's going to be very easy to pick up the edge now here when we do our ribbing. And that's it.